Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO U Pulse, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to bring down your toggles. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles will be a hotspot toggle. So for me, it is right over here. Hold it. And this will quickly take you to the settings, and then here all you need to do is navigate to tethering and portable hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, and this will give us these settings. So we need to select set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and what I recommend doing is changing the password. I'm going to select the show password. Now as you can see, it is randomly generated, just a bunch of letters and numbers, so it's simpler just to remove it completely and set up your own password. Now that can be letters or numbers, both obviously, and from there click save. Now it does need to have 8 characters at length at least. Now once that's set, you can simply toggle it on from here, or using the toggle in here, which is right now enabled. It also gives you a notification, as you can see, telling you that tethering or hotspot active, and tells you how many people are connected and also how many people are blocked, because you do have the option to block people even when they know your password. So there we go. And once you're done with your hotspot, simply tap on a toggle to turn it off. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.